campers. I'm low battery today, and like right now it's raining, so I'm not sure when it'll stop, but it's hard to make the touch screen work when it's raining, I have found. So anyway, I think I'm doing 19 today, we'll see. And then tomorrow should be Pine Grove Furnace and the ice cream half-gallon challenge, which I do not think I'm gonna attempt. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Morning, campers. So the shelter I stayed at last night was pretty cool. It had bunks, so that was neat. And it had a covered picnic area as well. Privy was super nice. I'm telling you, Pennsylvania shelters are the bomb. They have the bar set really high up here in Pennsylvania, so well done. Big day today. We hit first the halfway mark, which I should be hitting in the next like 15 minutes. So that this year it's 1096. Then I'll hit the 1100 mark, and then Pine Grove Furnace State Park, which is the home of the half-gallon challenge. I will bring you guys along for all the fun today. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so I must have totally blown past the 2019 halfway mark because I didn't see it. Either that or there isn't one. I'll have to ask Fireplug when I catch up with him if he saw one. Hopefully I see an 1100 mark, but yeah, if I don't, it's all good. All right, ciao. 1100. Woo.
Do you not want it?
Well, you want it?
She said that's just as interesting, so I might just walk down there because they're really excited to show you. So this is the measuring one? Isn't that cool? Yeah. So this is the original Earl Schaefer shelf.
On the shelf.
Checked out the museum. This is the furnace that the park gets its name from. Alright, moving on. That's really cool. I wonder whose roots those are. Or were. Okay, these arrows pointing this way and then that way. This is Maine, but the trail is like right there. There's a white blaze on that tree. I'm gonna go through in Georgia, Maine. All right. You all have a fun sense of humor here in Pennsylvania. I'll give you that. Morning, campers. So last night, found a spot by a stream where we camped. It was really nice. We ended up going a little bit further than we thought we were gonna go yesterday. I think we went like 21, a little over 21 miles. But the terrain was really easy and we were fortified by that hiker burger, fries, and ice cream that we had at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. That was a really cool park. They have an incredible AT museum on site. Anyway, I'm excited for today because I am gonna shower today. I haven't showered since Monday and today's Saturday, and it was Monday morning at that. So this is the longest I think I've gone without a shower. All right, I'm turning this off because I'm climbing more rocks. Done some fun rock stretches so far this morning. We are headed into Boiling Springs, gonna grab lunch there, and then on to Carlisle, which is where we'll stay and shower and get some food. All right, bye guys. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
I don't know, is this more Pennsylvania Trail humor? This whole state is a trip hazard. All right, morning campers, we're getting back on the trail. Ooh, headed to Duncannon. Hi guys. Wow. On the steering wheel.
Yeah, I think it was a tragic.
Yeah. Yeah, agreed.
Bigger return on the investment and quicker and easier to grow it as well. So basically I decided to do that, and I was about to, spend $2,000 on this setup.
Hiker box.
Oh yeah, we are going the right way.
Do you need
This is-
anything?
No. Just looking at that.
That's awesome.
Toilet paper, water, gauze.
That's great. Love it.
Cool train station.
Mm-hmm.